Best kind of day for fencing this. Sun's out, we're in the middle of nowhere, woods around. Sun's out, guns out.
Good morning, YouTube. What a lovely week it is this week. What a change it's been from last few weeks. Sun is shining, everyone always feels better. The guys this morning have gone to start a school job. So I'm thinking it's in two bits. In total it might be 160 metres of 1.8 V mesh, so it'll fly up well. That the lads are loving that out in the sun. But I just want to address what an awkward customer we've just had. I've done a little domestic job not far from my yard actually, but I've never met anyone as awkward as this guy. You just won't believe it. It's got to that bad, I feel like just saying don't even bother paying me. I just can't be bothered with the hassle of it for the sake of a few £100. That's all it is. He literally wants to get the job for nothing. Anyway, we'll try to stay as professional as we can, but you can only do so much with so many people. He's obviously like that in general. But anyway, apart from that, we're smashing on. So have a good week and we'll catch you later.
Good morning. So, beautiful day for fencing. Isn't it, Jamie? Best kind of day for fencing this. Sun's out, we're in the middle of nowhere, woods around. Sun's out, guns out. Come back later, Jamie will be sweating his tits off, won't you, mate? Show you what we're on with today. So we're doing a domestic job with commercial fencing today, doing 1.8 metre high V mesh. Going from this corner here, going to be going to the edge and then following the line down. They actually want it on the other side of the wall. It's going to take some height out of it, so probably be around 1.5 high, but they actually want it that way. It's basically to stop things coming in from the woodland area at the back of the house, and they don't want it too high because they want to be able to see out without looking through the actual mesh itself. We're going to be following it all the way around, all the way down. So nice around here as well. See, fencing's a good job when it's like this and not like that garden job what we did the other week, what were just like a bog, slipping and sliding everywhere. You know what I say, it's nice to work outside when it's nice weather. And then if you go all the way down, like I said, it's all going to be on the outside of this little wall here. And all the way to the end, we're going to be installing a gate just around here somewhere, either at this side of the tree or that side. Probably do a full panel, then gate, and then the wall there. So the lads are just unloading all their equipment this morning. We've just unloaded my van with all the equipment. We're going to get off, get back to the yard. We've got a couple of deliveries, people who bought, a couple of companies bought some V-mesh fencing, 2.4 high. As you well know, we stock it now, so we can get rid of that. Just getting all the tools ready for the day, and then I'll get out of here. Yeah guys, we'll keep you updated, and we'll show you the finished project a bit later. I don't think I need this today, do you? Oh, should have started that one. But yeah, we'll keep you updated of exactly how they get along. Lads have literally done this job in the matter of this morning. About 2 o'clock they're going to be finished, so good day for them. Nice weather. Hopefully they can get themselves nice early finished at pub. Just how we love it. I'll show you what they've been getting on with. You've seen it this morning, so look at the difference now. I can understand why they've gone for the commercial in this house, because You can literally just see right through it, and it still feels like you're a part of the woodlands. It's really nice, but lads have literally absolutely smashed it out. They've got a gate to do and another panel, fit a little small offcut to that bit. Nice easy day. That's pretty much it. Then it'll be done for 2 o'clock. Like I said, I'll be probably here until about 4. I've got a few things to do, sort out tomorrow's jobs and stuff like that. Just delivered one of our deliveries over to Wyke this morning. Hopefully we don't see, like everywhere at the minute, the prices of steel are already gone up 10%, so bit of a bad time to be selling it at the minute, but it's the way the cookie crumbles, unfortunately. It's got to carry on. But yeah, we'll get off. I'm going to take some photos. Keep an eye out for the video, like and subscribe if you're not already, and yeah, we will see you later.
Good morning, sunny Tuesday in Halifax, working on behalf of Halifax Grammar School. Baggy here just putting first posting. Nice line down there, about 40 metres in total. We should have that in today, all being well. What we call half day fencing. Baggy's there just connected onto this existing fence I've had put on. Got the full fencing. Just looking at my clock and it's 12:30, so I'd really like work of that. So we're going to be starting another stretch here. I think there's 110 metre tomorrow to do. So we're just going to go have a look at that and get back to the yard and load up, ready for tomorrow. So yeah, looks really well, does that. Good morning, it's Wednesday. Is it Wednesday or Tuesday, Baggy? It's Wednesday, I'm losing track of days. Anyway, we're back at Halifax Grammar, continuing with this second stretch now. Just got a couple of panels in. That's where we were working yesterday up there. Don't know if you can see that, connected onto their existing. Anyway, we're going down here, fully loaded. Going down this stretch here, there's a bit of a slope there. Apart from that, should be a nice job. Just ripping out some chain link at bottom there. Just sussing this other stretch out now. A few bits to cut out. Look at this, like neighbours have been using it as a dumping ground, look, dumping all the crap over. That's going to have to be stumped at the floor. Maggie, what are you doing? Found something. This is the worst part. If you can see, because the sun's obscuring it.
Yeah, we just have to come in front of it. It curls around there as well. I'll look at its bottom.
Oh, that's going to fall in though. No. Once we start cutting that out, it will.
So, you might have to cut it and leave that on.
I've told him I'm going to pile it all up.
No,
here.
What I'm saying is, see all that entwined?
Yeah.
You might have to just cut that there, leave that on, because that's all going to fall in, and cut it there, and then kind of just leave this bit in.
Yeah, well, it'll push onto our fence anyway. Our fence will hold it, yeah.
There's no reason
There's
to
all
on
crap there, look. So, I told him we're just going to come off. It's probably a foot, half a foot. You'd have to come off anyway, Baggy, because you won't get a line up past that, look.
Yeah,
Avant, tu voyais que de la merde. Maintenant, au moins, tu vois plus rien. Avant, que de la merde. Maintenant, au moins, tu vois plus rien.
So, good afternoon everybody, Friday afternoon now. What a fantastic week this has been to when you go back just a couple of weeks ago, the weather-wise. The sun is shining, everybody's in a great mood. Look, I've even had my shades on this week. Absolutely perfect fencing weather. The lads have got some great work cracked out this week. Majority of it, they've been at a school at Halifax, which you'll probably see in this video anyway, of them installing it. I think beginning of week, I think I alluded in my introduction, I think I've had the most awkwardest client I've had in 35 years of fencing, man and boy, and this bloke, it was just an absolute nightmare. Justin actually priced this one up when I was away, bless him. I think I'd have realised with my person radar and not gone near him, but anyway, we live and learn. I think that's a lesson learned for Justin. We won't get any more awkward customers like that again. But apart from that, like I say, we've had a really good week. And if you like what you see, hit the like button, show us some love and subscribe for more. Thank you.